Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I will show you how to put the device into the DFU mode. Now for this we will need iTunes on the Windows side and just a Mac Explorer or Finder on the MacBook side. So if you're using like a Apple-based computer, just open up Explorer. I mean not Explorer, but the Finder. It's equivalent of Explorer on Windows, so that's kind of why I'm getting it confused. But anyway, once you have iTunes or the Finder open, you want to plug it in. So you will need a cable obviously and connect it to your computer that you will be using for this. Now I'm obviously using Windows, as you can see, so it shows up right here for me. iPad, there we go. And on the Apple side, if you're using a MacBook or something like that, if you open up Finder, it will appear somewhere like on the side panel, like for instance this, but it will look exactly like this page. So once you have it visible, you want to basically look at this, because this will be the only way for you to know if the device booted into the DFU mode or not. And the reason why I'm saying this, it's because the process itself isn't the easiest, most self-explanatory one. So I'm gonna first describe it. What you need to do is hold the power key and home button, because this device brought back the home button for some reason. So power key and home button for about 10 seconds, at which point you will let go of only the power and you will switch to holding volume down for basically the remainder of the time till you see it appear on iTunes or your Finder. So anyway, I'm gonna grab it in my hand and you will be able to see basically everything that I'm pressing along with the screen. I'm grabbing it in this wonky way because it's just gonna be easier for me to press those keys. So anyway, both of those right now. So home and power for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go of the power and switch to volume down while continuously holding the home button, and there we go. We are now in the DFU mode. As you can see, the tablet looks like it's off, but iTunes shows us iPad in recovery mode. Still, 13th generation of iPhones, and they still haven't managed to fix this into a DFU mode. So yeah, iTunes is apparently the dumbest program out there and can't really differentiate those between each other. So just to clarify, this is DFU mode, not recovery mode like it's showing right here. The reason, or the way you can basically figure out which is which, is recovery mode shows a laptop with a cable on the screen, and DFU mode just shows nothing. So anyway, let us say we boot it into a DFU mode. Now to leave this mode, you would basically hold power key and home button till you see it disappear from the screen. So just look at the screen, hold as long as you need to, and once it basically disconnects iPad, you can let go of the keys. There we go, so it disappeared. And as you can see, it's booting back up. Additionally, you can also unplug the cable. It's not needed anymore. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.